When the volunteers were here, they assisted us as teachers in so many ways. One, they were assisting us in classwork, either marking the books, compiling the exams that we were doing, marking, and giving us the results at the required time.
I'm a co-curricular teacher. They really helped me a lot because the time I had athletics, we went out together. The time I had ball games, we went out together. Out there, they really helped a lot, preparing the children. Even we were able to go to the national level because of them.
The volunteers, they motivated the pupils a lot, especially on coming in the morning, because you could find them. Some of them were coming very early, and you could find them with the children trying to do some of the remedial work that they were given the previous day. So that was a motivation. Then, being young, they were also able to intermingle with them and share various experiences. And again, being the volunteers, because they had done well in their KCSE and they were to proceed to university. So the Saturdays felt that they also need to work hard. That was a motivation on its own.
The volunteers had a positive impact on the learners. In one, they made the learners to be close to them, that friendly. So they were friendly with the learners, and then they were assisting these young learners in so many ways. For example, in reading, so they had that positive attitude towards studying and reading. So I saw most of the learners being eager to study, and they knew most of these volunteers by names. So in fact, when most of us were not attending the classes, they were requesting for these teachers to be in the class to teach them.
The PACE students they were quite helpful as far as the learners were concerned. The fact that some of them would look as if they are the same size with our learners, and so they could approach them with personal difficulties, asking them questions, and they felt free dealing with them, and that helped even our learners enhancing their self-esteem. Yeah, the library. Yeah, the excellent thing that they did is starting a library. It was encouraging. And at the end of it all, they made that room conducive for learning. We are even using it now.
I was very much involved in their projects. There is no one project which they started and I didn't know, because most of them passed through me. And I want to say here that I really appreciated it. And most of their projects, actually all their projects, I would say they impacted. Like now, they had various projects. Like one, they had the mentorship. I would call it a project. It's ongoing up to now. We had the Integrity Club. That's a club. It was very sensible. We talk of corruption. Integrity. Okay, it goes with it. But now when we talk of integrity, they really insisted. Actually, Ruben was part of that group, the Integrity Club. What the meaning of the word integrity? What do we need in it? Honesty. That is in that club. So we instill these values to somebody when you are young.
On non-readers is quite helpful. I was so surprised there that the end of this last term, as I was marking composition, and there was a boy in class 7 who could not write, copying even work from the book or from the board. But surprisingly, I even called a colleague to tell him how surprised I was that the boy could copy correct sentences from the chalkboard. And that in itself shows the work, the pace students are doing, and they are really helpful, I would say.
We appreciate their being here, and we look forward even next year when another team is brought. We shall work with them. The teachers were happy and also the students were happy.